Black's objective here is to make a living shape. So this problem is similar to the previous one, 143, in that black needs to find this move right away. Right? It protects this point at f17. White cannot really come in, and this will be exactly the same as the previous problem. Right? If white plays here, black blocks from the left side. If white plays here, black blocks also from the left side, because white will not be able to connect if it just crosses on the first line. This is not okay for white. So it'll be something like this in the end. Note that black cannot block on the right side after number 6, because when white connects here, this will not be a seki, right? Because eventually, if white occupies these 2 liberties on the outside, this is already a tari, and black needs to fill this in, right? In the end, this will be a straight 3 pattern. But of course, black is already dead after white's number 8. So that's really all there is to this problem, right? If you played this is not threatening to break out. So white will just play on the outside. If you try to increase eye space, this is going to be a bulky 5 shape, not okay for black. If you try this now, what happens is that black will be forced to block from this side. And once again, this is not a seki. This is going to be a dead shape, a straight 3 for black. And black will fail after number 8, right? Obviously, with number 2 here, you cannot block from this side because number 8 will just connect. So that is why number 1 is kind of inefficient, right? If you 1 and 3 are redundant, right? That's why number 1 needs to be here right away. If you waste 1 move, if you're 1 move too slow, then white will catch up with you and kill you right here. So that is why number 1 is a good move to learn, and this is a good shape to remember as a potentially, most likely, living shape in most real games. Hope you enjoyed this pattern, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.